Hi students, what's up? How was your JEE mains exam? The paper was good. Yeah, I heard about it and I have seen the paper. Paper was very good. So today I want to take the problem of the JEE advanced level. Okay, who have done good in this JEE mains exam? Definitely they will get the good ranks. So you have to prepare for JEE advanced. As you know, the integration is the most challenging topics in mathematics. So I am going to take the some problem of very typical problem which they will target in JEE Advance. See here first a problem. Integration of x raised to the power minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus x raised to the power 1 by 3 dx. How you will do this problem? Definitely we will do by integration by substitutions. But one problem is here. You cannot take 1 plus x raised to the power 1 by 3 directly as equal to t. Otherwise, you will never succeed to do this problem. Here's some manipulation work you have to do. Always keep in your mind. In JEE exam, they will always give like that problem. Without something manipulation work, you cannot do any problem. First and second step is the most important. So see carefully how I am taking this problem. Power is minus 1 by 2. I am making it is minus 3 by 6. As you know, minus 3 by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 2. X to the power 1 by 3, I am taking x to the power 1 by 3, x to the power 1 by 6, the whole square. Because you know, exponents are multiplied. So 1 by 6 into 2 is what is 1 by 3. Why I am taking this like that, you will understand now. Put x raised to the power 1 by 6 equal to t. As you know, differentiation of x to the power 1 by 6 is 1 by 6 x raised to the power minus 5 by 6. Because 1 by 6 minus 1 is what? Minus 5 by 6. Dx equal to dt. Now as we have here x to the power minus 5 by 6. But in our problem we have minus 3 by 6. So I am going to make minus 3 by 6 in terms of minus 5 by 6. So minus 5 by 6 plus 2 by 6 always equal to minus 3 by 6. Divide by your denominator as it is 1 plus x raised to the power 1 by 6 square. Now 1 by 6 take other side. So x to the power minus 5 by 6 dx equal to 6 dt. We have already here x to the power minus 5 by 6, x to the power minus 5 by 6 into x to the power 2 by 3, because we know कि if exponents are addition or subtraction something like that, we can split it. So that's why I split it in two parts, x to the power minus 5 by 6 into x to the power 2 by 6 divided by same your denominator. X to the power minus 5 by 6 dx equal to, from here is what is 6 dt, which is I am putting, always we put integration outside. 6 integration of dt is here. X to the power 2 by 6 is what is? X to the power 1 by 6 square is x to the power 2 by 6. X to the power 1 by 6, our we have t. So it becomes t square by 1 plus x to the power 1 by 6 square means t square. Now see here. We have in your problem t square and t square in your numerator and denominator same power. Wherever we will see the numerator and denominator having the same power, but something is more in your denominator, means like a constant can be any value, 1 2 3 4 5 10 20 50 whatever. Okay, so that part what we will do, we will add and subtract in your numerator part. So that's why I took here t square, I add 1 and subtract 1. Now I split in two parts. So 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square minus 1 by 1 plus t square dt. You know, numerator denominator same, cancelled out. It become only dt because it is here in brackets. Integration of dt, you know, t. Now the second part is what is 1 by 1 plus t square. As we know, the integration of 1 by 1 plus x square always tan inverse x. That's why it is 1 by 1 plus t square what become tan inverse t. So t minus tan inverse t plus c, as we have to take the constant of integration. And now change the t in your original form, which was in your x. So t was x to the power 1 by 6 minus tan inverse x to the power 1 by 6 plus c. That is your final answer. T we have taken, what we have taken, t, x raised to the power 1 by 6 equal to t. So final answer is your 6 into x to the power 1 by 6 minus tan inverse x raised to the power 1 by 6 plus c. Now the second problem I am taking, 1 upon root x inside bracket fourth root of x plus 1 to the power 10 dx. Here in this problem I am going to take fourth root of x plus 1 equal to t. Fourth root of x plus 1 taking other side become t minus 1, and x equal to, because it's the fourth root, so other side become t minus 1 raised to the power 4. Now differentiate it. X differentiation dx equal to t minus 1 to the power 4, differentiation is 4 into t minus 1 power 3 dt. So now I am going to convert all these things in t. So what you will get? 4 times of t minus 1 to the power 3 divided by t minus 1 square. Other term will be what? T power 10, because in our problem it was fourth root of x plus 1 to the power 10. Fourth root of x plus 1 we have taken t. This already we have taken t. So in problem it was this power 10, so it become t power 10 dt. Now this, what you will do? See here, t minus 1 cube, here t minus 1 square. So this cancel out with this. Now become it is what? Constant take outside, t minus 1 divided by t power 10 dt. Split in two parts, t by t power 10 minus 1 by t power 10 dt. T by t power 10 what become your? T power minus 9 minus this t power minus 10. 1 by t power 10, if you will bring up, so you know the exponent become opposite sign, so plus 10 become minus 10, and here it will become t by t power 10, 1 by t power 9, so you will bring up, so it will become t power minus 9 dt. Now it's very easy. X power n integration is what? X power n integration is what? As you know, always integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Same thing here you use. So t power minus 9 become t power minus 9 plus 1 according to formula x power n plus 1. So minus 9 plus 1 what become? Minus 8 divided by minus 8 minus t power minus 10 plus 1 become minus 9 by minus 9 plus constant of integration c. What we can do next? Bring now, because of negative exponent, bring down. Now it is to become 1 by minus 8 t power 8. This minus minus become plus 1 by 9 t power 9. Sorry, integration so already we have done. Take it is in bracket. Now what is your t? T is your fourth root of x plus 1. So it become 1 1 by minus 8. Before that, one thing we can do. What we can do? Minus 8 t power 8 and 9 t power 9. We should take it as what is? LCM. Okay, better. So first taking the LCM, what become its LCM? LCM become it is minus 72 t power 9. Okay, this 2 LCM. Now minus 8 minus 72. How many times? 9 times. So it become here 9 t, because here t power 8, here t power 9, t plus 9 8s are 72 and t power 90, this is just here minus 8, because here 9 but here minus 72 plus c equal to 4. Now take the value of t here. Okay, value of t we should take now. So 9 inside bracket fourth root of x plus 1 minus 8 divided by minus 72 fourth root of x plus 1 to the power 9 plus c. Now what we can do? Here see 4 and here is 72. 4 9s are 72. So in the next step, it becomes 9 fourth root of x plus 1 minus 1 sorry, here was earlier was our 8 divide by